All right, YouTube, welcome back to Process for Profits. I am Purry, all service business, all success, service business simplified. So I haven't posted a video in a while, but I had a couple questions that I did want to address in video format because I found it to be relevant. The first question is from Sean Hardy. So Sean Hardy, this is in response to your question. And he wants me to make a video on how much you put into it first, being the company, I'm assuming, the equipment you will need starting off, when to make a website, and social media accounts. He said we need more information step by step. Now, granted, Sean, um, I've addressed a few of these things, touching here and base most of it in the beginning, introducing myself to you guys here at YouTube. But in the beginning, you should not need very much money. Like I said in my intro, I did everything wrong. So you don't want to do everything like me, depending on your state and your areas, the filing fee for your LLC. I started as a DBA. You can do the same thing. I know some states you can reserve your name. It's like $20. So when you do get your money, you just pay for it and do it that way. Your EIN is going to be free. Obviously, your social media accounts. Now, what you do want to do, and the money you will have to come out of pocket, once you narrow down your name, you're going to want to get that .com and secure it. Also, get the email address. I again had the .com. I didn't get the email address till a little bit into the business, but it was still available, obviously. But I also had a Gmail account because I started out with vacation rental cleaning. As far as equipment and what you will need, you should have everything already. Like, again, unless you live like a slob, you should have a vacuum cleaner, a broom, a mop, and some cleaning detergent. We use Fabuloso. I dive into that a little bit more in the course, the blueprint, and it tells you why we use Fabuloso and why the specific kind. But get Fabuloso and get purple Fabuloso. It's like $1 at Dollar General. Get you an empty spray bottle. Again, another $1 at Dollar General, Dollar Tree. And then some extra rags. We had cleaning rags, but it's super dusty, so you don't want to use those. Also, your vacuum cleaner, your household vacuum cleaner, it's gonna poop out on you after a couple houses because it's super dusty. So either you're gonna be mindful and clean that filter, or you're gonna keep getting those $30-$40 vacuums like I did and just keep blowing them because you don't care. And then eventually, I got the Uline account set up to build business credit, and I just ordered a backpack vac, and even that gave me freaking problems because the circuitry wasn't always right when they're building these buildings and you go in to do the rough. So you got like super extension cords and stuff, and these industrial vacuum cleaners aren't set up to run like that. They need 120 out the freaking socket. So again, starting off, you're not going to need very much equipment. Everything you need, you should have. You should be able to tackle a 2,500 square foot residential home with everything that you needed, you already have in your house, and make for $400 to $500 with everything you already have in your house. What was the other part of the question? Website and social media accounts. So although I bought the .com, I think my wife spent the night doing that. I can't do it. I'm not abreast at doing it. She's in the graphic design, and that is her expertise. So she spent, I think it took about 30 minutes to make the website. It took us about a few hours to narrow down on the logo or what we were going to choose and decide to do that. She offers those services. So all in all, that was all done, and we spent, I want to say I spent about $60 on some postcards. So if you can at least get the name, the .com, and come up with the logo. You really don't even need a logo unless you got the name. But if you got the name, get the postcards, then under $100, you should be able to get rolling and be able to make you a few $100. You should be able to get 1 or 2 houses, make you a few $100 and be successful, and then go back and circumvent everything you did. So if you put your name on reserve, you pay for your name. Okay, I got my name. You keep getting jobs until somebody say, hey, I need this particular insurance. Then you get that insurance with the profits you've already made with what you have. And as your equipment start pooping out and you start saying, I don't want to bring this crap back to my house and use it in my house, you just purchase new things. So Walmart has a whole like Home Depot section now. I had no idea. One of my cleaners showed up with a shop vac from there. And that thing worked wonders. And I think he said he spent like $35 on it. So you start doing little things like that. But again, if you say you're trying to start a cleaning company like me, because this past Friday, I sold my cleaning company. I'm out of the rat race. And now I'm the bank. So I receive payments for the systems and processes I built. You don't need to worry too much on what you need and equipment you need, because you're going to leverage other people, other companies, and their equipment. Your goal is to be the business owner. Your goal is to sit back and beat your pedal. Your goal is to just source and sell jobs. Your goal is to build your reputation and your company name while having other people clean the buildings, because they're not willing to go out and slay the dragons. You are. So don't get too bogged down on the equipment you need and what you need. Definitely, social media is free. So I look at social media and anything online like real estate. So this process for profits, I bought years before I even started doing it, because I had the vision. So whatever your name is, claim that online real estate. Social media, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, whatever it is you're going to choose to use, claim the real estate. Even if you say, well, maybe, or maybe not use it, claim the real estate online because it's free. It costs you nothing to get it. So claim that real estate. And once you claim that real estate, then over time, you can just start building it out. Speaking of online real estate, you guys go to Process for Profits Instagram page. Definitely follow me on Instagram. It's not a lot on there right now. I'm trying to be more active. But like I said, I just sold this company. So got a little bit of that transition going on, and we're working our way through that. But once that's all done, we're going to come back and talk about it. And I'm going to shoot a video specifically on that. All of my videos are based on me building this business to sell. So catch all the jewels that I'm giving you for free. Because I cashed out. Everything ain't going to be for free no more. So again, guys, if you found content in this, hit the like button, subscribe. Again, Sean Hardy, this video is for you. Don't get bogged down on what you need to get started. You need less than $100, all the equipment you already have, and postcards, not business cards. Remember that. Peace. I'm out.